So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing in 2023, a simple, straightforward way, no bullshit. So guys, let's get started. And I'm going to cover all of these things as you could see on the screen. So make sure you have a pen and paper to write down things. And I'm going to discuss some important things as well. So hope you don't miss it out. And before we begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to do affiliate marketing. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. Now, first things first, we are going to log on ClickBank. And again, I'm not going to show you how to register for an affiliate network. I've made a couple of videos about that. I'm going to just stick with the basics where you're going to make money straight to the point rather than creating and registering things. I think that's pretty simple where you could register on a website. But now, first things first, all you need to do is, as I told you, finding the best offer. So again, it's very easy, nothing is complicated. All you have to do is just go on marketplace, just do view all offers. Okay, once you are on view all offers, I would sort by gravity high to low and scroll down, and I would come over here, and again gravity minimum would be 50 gravity. Okay, and that's it. Press enter. Now all of these are top converting offers. Now once we know, let's say for example, we are going to spy more, but again, let's say for example we want to take this offer, prostadine. Okay, so what is it all about? So again, it's a prostate supplement. So people who don't know what is prostate, so prostate is something where your gland becomes big for men. People who get much more older, their gland becomes big, right? Again, when you're near your bladder or something, it becomes big. You can do your own research. So now once you know this is the offer, go on the affiliate page, read about the offer, what is it all about. Okay, send your for your approval. I'm already approved for this offer, so that's how it is. Once you sign up, again, you do get approved. All you have to do is just put your email ID, name, and everything. And then the next thing is all you need to do is just message the seller. I've already done that. I've messaged the seller. I told the seller, please give me the resource kit. Okay. So she's like, okay, here's your resource kit and everything. So again, when I open my resource kit, everything is there. The product pictures, before and after, native, again the demographics are there as well. When I click on demographics, it shows me what is the core target. Again, urinary tract infection, these are some keywords which you could remember. All of these things, right? Erectile dysfunction, depression, kidney damage. So again, these are some different angles which you can sell the product. Dealing with bad jokes from other people, no longer enjoying themselves, poor sleep, increased need to urine, weak urine stream, stream that starts and stops. So again, these are some information about it, and also you could know it's only for male people and Caucasians and African American 50 to 65 years old which have a low income. So again, these are some vital information which you need to keep in mind. Let's scroll back again for Facebook, for emailing, for Google and YouTube. If I open over here, all the keywords are given, right? So again, this is something which is a gold mine. Now, there are two ways you can promote. One is brand bidding. So if I go over here, let me go on Excel, right? Let me open up a new Excel. Let me just get it over here. So one is branded, one is generic. So now for generic, it's going to be these ones would be the generic keywords. Okay, these ones would be the generic ones. Let me zoom in. Okay, these one would be the generic ones, and branded would be the product name. So if I go on prostadine, so this would be the product name. Where is it? Yeah. So branded would be prostadine. Just change this. Okay. Gonna be prostadine review, scam, or maybe something like buy prostadine, something like this. So these are some branded keywords, right? Now again, you need to check if the brand allows, if the product owner allows brand bidding, so you can run these ads. If they do not allow, I would suggest go with generic. Now once you're over here, again you can see traffic restrictions. So it says over here that affiliates may not run Google AdWords or any Google property by bidding prostadine based keywords or use the term prostadine. So now again, there is no brand bidding over here, but again, if you want to make quick money, again, it's a risk. It's a disclaimer. I'm not telling you to do it, but still people are doing it and making money. So if you want quick money, and again, this will risk your Google Ads account. So my suggestion would be no, but still some people are doing it over here, as you could see, prostadine. So again, they are just running the branded ones and they can make money. But we're not gonna do it that way. We're gonna do the right way. So now the next thing is, now we know that we have all the keywords over here. So these are all the keywords. So once we know the keywords, again, you can find a different angle and do it. Now, the next thing is, if I go back over here, finding the best offer. So we have found the offer is prostadine, right? So again, we have found the offer is prostadine. Now finding then the landing page and ad copy. So now what you could do is come back over here. You need to search your competition. So just paste it over here. Space prostadine repair home remedy. Let me just do that. Okay, remedies. Okay, now it's coming as well. And then search. Once you search that, and as you could see, guys, again, we found a gold mine. Again, this would be a keyword which is really converting. Uh, again, sorry for opening this, but again, these are some things which I can just open right now. Again, this one looks really good. If I click over here, I'm 110% sure it's going to open in prostadine. And let me just see. And boom, as I told you, right? It's opening at prostadine. So again, the guy is making money because he's on the first page, right? So now we found the ad copy. Okay, now we found the ad copy, we found the landing page. Again, this would be like a landing page which you could use. For now, again, you don't have to copy exactly the same way because it's not ethically right. Plus, he's already doing it, so you need to make it 10% better. Now I'm going to show you a couple of examples about the landing page. I have some different landing page which I was already running and I was making money with it. So again, one of the landing pages like this, one of the landing pages like this. So again, get in different ideas, something similar to this. You can change your headlines. And also I'm going to give you an example on how you can find these headlines. All you have to do is just go back over here, go on emailing, open emails and copy the headlines and paste it over there. So if I just copy this thing, dip the testicles, again, you can't do this, but other thing is this one. So again, just paste it over here. I can just do over here, I can do inspect, come back over here. For example, I'm not sure how to do it. Okay, now something like this, right? 2,000, 25,000 men saved from prostate by the prostate water. Again, for me, I have no clue what is BPH. Again, a meaning. So again, I can just look into it, which is enlarged prostate or benignant prostate hyperplasia. So again, it's a medical term. That's why it's BPH. So again, just create a landing page just like this. Once you create a landing page and once you know your keywords as well, now you just need to create a campaign. So for us, this is done. Okay, running the offer. Now, all you have to do is, again, you can do it on Google Ads or Microsoft Ads. I'm going to do it in Google Ads. So again, I'm now going to show you how to create a Google Ads account. You can literally go and do Google Ads account. Okay, and then you can just go and register. So I'm not here to tell you how to click buttons and register. It's very simple and you can get some free credits as well. On Google Ads account 1600. So again, over here they're doing an offer where you can get free 1600 AD if you spend 1600 AD, right? So again, this is the offer, but you can find it on Google. Once you create your Google Ads account, all you have to do is click on campaign, new campaign. Once you're on your new campaign, all you have to do is you're going to select website traffic. Once you do that, I'm not going to explain you about the conversion pixel. It's much more advanced. You can check it on my free course. The link is down below. Click on next. Next, you need to do search ads. Once you do search ad, I'm going to name this uh, Prostadine, generic, because we are doing generic ads, right? So remember, we are not doing branded ones because we need to keep our account safe. Once we are done that, just click on next or start new. Once you're done that, I would always go with maximum clicks. Once I am done with maximum clicks, you can click on next. Enter your location, and now where do we get the location? If I go back over here, it will show you where you can promote the product, right? So if I go on demographics, it will show me where I can promote the products. So USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, right? So again, this is how it is. And over here as well, it's written no brand bidding. So we are not doing brand bidding. We are safe. Again, for this purpose, I'm going to do Australia. Okay. And don't be afraid to try new countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland. In fact, there are times they are much more profitable for me. So try it out, right? But nothing is wrong in trying. Um, Once you are done with this location option, just click on presence. English is your select language. Click on next. The keywords, where would I find the keywords, right? So again, that was the most difficult part. Just copy this thing. So rather than copying everything, I would select one of them, right? The reason for that is each of them requires a different ad copy. So if I go on Google right now, I'm gonna copy this one, which I searched, and then come back on Google Ads, paste it over here, get keyword suggestions. Okay, and then I can paste this URL as well on top, get keyword suggestions. So Google is gonna find everything. So yeah, I got all the keywords. Now for this example, I did not create a landing page, but again, it's very simple. I don't have to teach you how to click buttons. You can go on wix.com, WordPress, system.io. There are a lot of landing page builders which you could use. And this video does not cover the scope of how to create a landing page. There are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. So if I go back on my YouTube channel, there are some old videos where again I show you how to create a landing page. Just come over here, search landing page, and again this is the landing page I show you, and all of these things are there, how you can create a free landing page. Again, it goes back to 3 years ago. So again, you can learn about that. Now again, for the ad copy, we already have this ad copy, right? So copy this thing, paste it over here. Simple trick to relax prostate. And now there are some options as well, right? Enlarged prostate treatment. I can just copy this, paste it over here. So trust me, I'm not even doing anything. Google is giving me all the options, right? You can just copy this thing. What I could do is remember BPH, enlarged prostate, BPH, enlarged prostate solution. Wow. So again, best prostate, enlarged prostate treatment. I can make everything big. What else we could type, right? This simple trick to relax prostate, simple method. Again, what else you could do? Find and go and check the emails, right? Water bottle test. What else is the common liquid triggers your prostate in breaking? Okay, again, 0p gravity method. Come back over here, go back. Simple trick, easy method, right? So easy method to uh, relax p in zero gravity method, and then again you can make it 10% better. Currently I'm just copy and doing the paste, which is not right. Again, just make it 10% better, just mix and match. Once that's done, just paste it over here, paste it over here. Okay, now and then you can launch the campaign. Okay, Again, there are, you can put site links, call out extension, which I'm not going to show you because everything is down in my free course. If you have not joined my free course, the link is down below. Go and check it out, because in that course I show you how to make money easily. And again, it's the simple way, but you can add site links, call out extension, and again, it's really easy, nothing complicated. Just put call out extensions like easy treatment. Again, how do I get all of these things? Again, you can just go over here and copy. So one of them could be, scroll down and can be shrink your prostate, right? So you can write easy, simple solution, and everything's gonna come down over here. It takes much more real estate, it takes much more space, so your ad looks much more bigger. More likely people will click on it, and more likely it will convert. So now once that's done, you can just do done, and then budget would be, again, depending how much of your budget is. For me, I'll keep it $36. I'm gonna do next, and I'm gonna review, and that's how it is. And this is how I create a campaign. Now, when it comes to how to scale, you need to remember, if I do a lot of tracking again. You need to do tracking where you know that certain keywords is converting really well. So let's say, for example, this keyword is converting really well, right? So now what you could do is you can divide your campaign into male and female. Okay, and then you see that male is not making any sense, so I would say delete. And only I would focus on female. So that's how I would scale the campaign. And again, if you would like to learn more about this, just check out my free course. The link is down below. And I hope this video helps you out and you can start making real money with this. And again, trust me, just try this campaign. It's making money. And I hope you really like the video. And as I always say, what time it is, it's time to make money. And I think so that's it for today's video, right? Keep it simple, keep it fresh. And Yavar Khan signing off.